fighting disease with fruits. Apple. Apples are one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits globally. They come in a variety of colors, flavors, and textures, and they offer several nutritional benefits. Some key points about apples. Nutritional content. Apples are a good source of dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber called pectin. Fiber is beneficial for digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They contain various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and small amounts of B vitamins. Varieties. There are numerous apple varieties, each with its own taste, texture, and best uses. Some popular varieties include Gala, Granny Smith, Fuji, Honeycrisp, and Red Delicious. Health benefits. Heart disease. The fiber, antioxidants, and other compounds in apples may contribute to heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Weight management. The fiber content in apples can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Antioxidants. Apples contain antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which may help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber and natural sugars in apples can contribute to more stable blood sugar levels. The slow release of sugars from the digestion of fiber may help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Hydration. Apples have high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying hydrated is important for various bodily functions, including digestion and skin health. Versatility. Apples can be enjoyed in various ways, such as raw, sliced in salads, or as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt. They are also commonly used in cooking and baking, forming the basis of pies, crisps, sauces, and juices. Apple cider and vinegar. Apples are used to make apple cider, which can be enjoyed on its own or used as an ingredient in various recipes. Apple cider vinegar, derived from fermented apple juice, is another product with potential health benefits and various culinary uses. Dietary fiber. Apples are a good source of dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber called pectin. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. Antioxidants. Apples contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which may help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants play a role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber and natural sugars in apples can contribute to more stable blood sugar levels. The slow release of sugars from the digestion of fiber may help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Apples are a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in various ways. Here are some common ways to use apples. Fresh eating. Enjoy apples as a nutritious and convenient snack. Wash them thoroughly and eat them whole or slice them for easy snacking. Salads. Add sliced apples to your salads for a refreshing and slightly sweet flavor. They pair well with both green salads and fruit salads. Smoothies. Include apples in your smoothies for added sweetness and nutrition. Combine them with other fruits, yogurt, and liquids for a delicious and healthy beverage. Applesauce. Make homemade applesauce by cooking peeled and chopped apples with a bit of water and sweetener, if desired. Blend or mash the cooked apples to achieve the desired consistency. Applesauce can be enjoyed on its own, added to yogurt, or used as a topping for desserts. Baking. Apples are a popular ingredient in baking. They can be used in pies, crisps, muffins, and cakes. Experiment with different varieties of apples to achieve the desired sweetness and texture in your baked goods. Cider. Fresh apple cider is a popular beverage, especially in the fall. You can enjoy it hot or cold. Be aware that apple cider can also refer to fermented apple juice, known as hard cider, which contains alcohol. Dried apples. Make your own dried apples by slicing them thinly and dehydrating them. Dried apples can be a convenient and portable snack. Cheese pairing. Apples pair well with various cheeses. Create a cheese board with sliced apples, different types of cheeses, nuts, and crackers for a delightful snack or appetizer. Chutneys and salsas. Combine diced apples with other fruits, vegetables, and seasonings to create flavorful chutneys or sauces. These can be used as toppings for grilled meats or served with chips. Sandwiches. Add apple slices to sandwiches for a crunchy and slightly sweet element. They work well with both savory and sweet sandwich combinations. Fighting disease with fruits. Apple. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fantastic videos, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.